It's a great pleasure for me to open this 8th JIR Winter School.
Good afternoon, everyone.
I'm really glad to be here with you.
So many physicians with who are so passionate about autoinflammation.
I hope I can shed in some light.
Warm greeting to all of you from India.
You can learn so much from people coming all over the world.
I'm delighted to be there to promote the power of collaboration.
A very great consensus on the problems that the four of you are facing.
It has a clear future, it has a real value.
You open a door in a new treatment.
Biggest discovery in the adult systemic inflammatory disease world.
We had a fantastic first day.
We had the chance here to meet experts and to learn more about the diseases.
We now know each other's names and faces.
The fondue was amazing.
Really a great experience to all of us.
Ciao, enjoy the meeting. Ciao.